Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. I got a video for you today, guys. I want to talk about crypto.com, Tonic, Bitcoin, and how today we're having a great day because there's a pump. And actually, there's finally some action in the crypto market. So first off, let's take a look at the crypto.com or CRO chart here. You know, I wasn't expecting us to break out of this formation for a little while, but we're starting to test it a little bit, which is pretty intriguing. We are getting quite the pump on Bitcoin, which you know how that goes, guys. It's the tide that rises all the boats. So let's take a look at Tonic right now because I found some pretty interesting formations here when I drew this out. Right now we're in a ascending triangle, maybe even just a symmetrical triangle, really, and we're coiling down and we're going to be bouncing here. As long as we don't break below this bottom level of 6 zeros, 1398, I'm content with where Tectonic's price goes. I think that we're going to be going up, especially if Bitcoin continues this rally. Guys, just today, Bitcoin has gone up from about 20,500 to 21,500. It's gone up, and I think it's going to keep going, guys. We're having a bullish month, which is nice because we've had a long time since we've had some upward motion. But yeah, so I'm pretty confident that Tectonic will be safe. It might break down below this first level of 6 zeros, 1444. But as long as we trade and either test this bounce, or do something like this, maybe trade in here a little bit and come back up, I'll be happy. I'm just worried about if we do something like this, bounce, hit here, come through, bounce, and come down. Because if we come down past that, if we scroll out, you can see here, if we break below this level, well, then we're kind of just in this entire formation here, and we're back in this downward motion, this downward trend line, and I wouldn't like to see that for Tectonic. I don't really think that that's possible though, based on what's going on with Bitcoin. I mean, look at this, guys. This is the weekly chart. This is my mini wedge I have drawn, and we're 2 bars out. That's pretty nice, guys. That's pretty nice. Let's take a look over at the daily too, because this kind of shows a better depiction of my price targets that I had drawn up about a week ago. I drew this out, and this is the longer trend for Bitcoin. And we would like to break out of here and reach the 25K level. If we break the 25K level, well, I really think that 30K is not too far off, and I think that that would be sort of the max pain for the market. Everyone is mad that the market is pumping right now, which usually is a sign that it's good. Usually that's a sign that this isn't a fake out. But I have also been hearing theories about us potentially breaking out of this as a fake out and coming down. I don't know. I don't really think that this could happen unless the Federal Reserve is just super, super hawkish month over month. And if we get like a 75-point basis hike and back to back, month over month, maybe even 3 of them leading into the new year, I would be a little bit worried and maybe we could get a capitulation. But I think that max pain right now is really if we do something like this where we trade, we break this formation at about 25K and we just send it to 30,000. I think that so many people are going to get liquidated. It'll behoove the exchanges to do that because they'll make more money doing that because everyone is calling for us to tank, and it just doesn't make sense right now. It doesn't make sense. Too many people would be right, and that's just not how it works. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin shorts. I want to show you guys some good news because in my previous video, when I was talking about the Bitcoin shorts chart, we were just in this downtrend. And now finally, and I'm using Hike and a She, so it basically just shows you the trend line of when we're going. It's a downward trend or an upward trend. There's not a red green candle. So this is just clear to see which way the market is headed for the particular graph you're looking at. So for this case, it's Bitcoin shorts. So we are finally, I know it's tiny, but we're building up The short positions are building up right now, guys. That is good for us. We want these shorts to grow. We want these shorts to go like this, because what happens when that happens? Well, then we get to have the exchanges liquidate them, and then we get a short squeeze, and then Bitcoin goes up to 30K, Cronos goes up to probably about 40 cents. It would be very, very nice. Very, very nice. That's what we want to see, guys. So, that's all I really got for you today, guys. If you stuck around this far, please give me a like and subscribe. If you want a free $4,100 over on Femex towards a free trade, all you gotta do is sign up and deposit. I made some trades on Gala Games the other day as there was a huge flash crash. Made some quick money from it. You can get a trading bonus if you want to do that. Just click this, sign up, deposit. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.